goat, sheep, and all 200 farm animals escape from the barnyard, guys. Oh, so amazing! Look at that! The horses, cows, cattle, sheep, goat, pig, and all 200 farm animals escape from the barnyard, guys. And also with their babies, guys. Look at that! Oh yeah! I don't have any animals in this farm, guys. They are escaping. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at that. All the animals, and they are out in this farm, guys. They are escaping. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at that. All the animals, and they are outside the meow farm, guys. Look at that. Oh, 200 farm animals escape, guys. And who will be the fastest animals to escape, guys? And let's see. Here we have the camels, pigs, and they are running so fast, guys. And here is their destination, guys. They have to get through this